and good afternoon. My name is Robin and this is my channel. I hope I'm not giving you too much glare. I'm trying to film outside today and it is probably 95 degrees, but it's a lot better filming outside than it is in the house. So I'm trying to move you back a little bit, give you some more tree and less glare. So today I have my Life's a Wave subscription box. Now, if it seems like I just filmed this a couple weeks ago, I did. I got in on the end of March, so then I got my April box. So this was a fun box to open. I had signed up for the quarterly, so I'm gonna get 3 boxes, this being my second box. And I think I paid like $45 each month because I did get the 3 months. And it comes beautifully wrapped. Of course, there is no ocean or water anywhere near. Okay, let's try this again. There is no water anywhere around me, but it's always fun to get some and just pretend. So when you open it up, it's got tons of goodies, and I'm not going to tip it over because it'll be all over the floor. So the first thing is Life's a Wave Mermaid Robin. Your Life's a Wave box full of ocean, beach, and eco fun. And it's from my mermaid sisters, so I have a lot of mermaid sisters. And welcome to the Life's a Wave family. Excuse me. Of course, now that it is close to 100, I cannot breathe when I sit outside. And we have the mermaid wear, and we care your order was mindfully packaged using eco-friendly. So that is super nice. And of course, they give you a sticker. And last month it was the what did we have? St. Patrick's Day. So I got a St. Patrick's card. You can use it as a card, or you can get a little frame and you can frame it. So this is really beautiful. It doesn't look as good on camera as it does in person, but it's a beautiful card. So I do like that. And now, oh my dear, we get into the box of goodies. I'm gonna try to either move back or move the camera forward. I feel like I'm on top of you. And they had the little glass shells on the box, and this time they have, oh my god, they have the taffy, and because it's so hot outside, the taffy is just so mushy, and there's lots of taffy. And I thought there was a card with everything that was in the box, so I should find that somewhere. Oh my goodness. And the first thing is Mermaid Kisses and Starfish Wishes. That is so cute. I have a little table that I am going to put this on, so I do like that. Not only is there taffy, there's these cute little seashells, and because they sent me all that stuff last time, I'm looking for the right dish, and with all the lifestyle subscription boxes I'm getting, I know I'm gonna get the right dish for that. And then we got Life's a Wave. Don't know what's in here. I think it's utensils. They look like they're handmade. There's a, oh, there was. Told you I have the dropsies. There's a fork and a spoon and a knife. There's only for one, so I guess I'll be dining alone. But they're really pretty, and they're very smooth. And I'm thinking they're eco-friendly. So that is super, super nice. And there's just, I can't tip it up because can you see all the taffy in the shells? But I'm afraid that there'll be taffy and shells all over the patio here. I'm feeling something soft. I can't remember, did we get clothing in our last box? And it's got the lifesawave on here. Oh my goodness. It looks like it's tie-dye. And I'm sure West Coast Weeks, Vicki, she's probably got her eyes already on this. I know she doesn't get this box. And she lives right on the water. So she's probably eyeballing. Is it cover up? What is this? It's just a big scarf. You can probably use it as a blanket because it's big enough for your body to lay on. My body, like I couldn't use it as a cover up because yeah, there's more to cover up than what's on here. But I would definitely use it to lay down on the beach. So Vicki, when I come over, I will be bringing this to lay down on the beach, but it's very pretty. And it's got these really cute little tassels. And, oh. There's just so much stuff in this box. And of course I'm getting those little trail mix, as I call them, all over. And we have, as I said, I think it's close to 100 today, but we have a really nice breeze. And as you know, anybody's welcome to come visit. Plenty of chairs, plenty of sun tea. And this is Roses and Rosé Sea Clay Mask. And as most of you know, I'm a maskaholic. I'm thinking because it's really powdery, I might have to mix it. Now they should know I don't cook. I think there's directions on here, but I bet you it smells great. 2 ounces, and of course it's the littlest writing, directions. Mix 1/4 teaspoon with 4 drops of water. So I guess I'm cooking, but I bet you this is really good for your skin. Ooh. And do we have Citrus Sunset Drop-In Bath. I can't smell it, but I'm assuming it smells like citric acid, sodium bicarbonate, cornstarch, virgin organic coconut oil, essential oils, orange lemon, and beet powder. So that is awesome. And I see this is coconut and it says bold. So I wonder if I can use this for all my little goodies that I get in these boxes. I think I'm going to have to keep this subscription going. Is this, oh, they're bold, but I think I only see one. And it actually looks like a coconut. So I'm going to put all those shells and everything I told you I was getting. It was the, you know, that cut glass. But I wish you can feel how smooth it is. And it's got a stamp on the bottom, coconut bowls. So I can put all that fun stuff in there. Let me see if there's anything house. Ooh, there's a little bag in here. Not sure what it is. So I'm so glad I got that bowl. Now I don't have to search for anything. And I think it's a bracelet. Very tiny bracelet. Is that like a bird? See if you can see that. What does that look like to you? It is a very tiny bracelet, which makes me very happy because I have such tiny wrists. Can you see? That's really nice, and it goes with my ring that I'm wearing from Luxury Diva. So that's nice. I thought that they put a card in here. I'm just gonna go through this box. So we got this nice wrap or towel or whatever you want to use this for with the things, and one set of silverware, and our bath bomb, and our cute little mermaid, and my cooking face mask, and a card. And as I said, you know, now that we're so far apart, we're gonna have to send cards. And I'm just looking through here. Again, they're a nature type of box, and they support the turtles. And I don't see anything that says what's in here, but I think it's pretty much self-explanatory, and the bracelet, and I'm just loving this bowl, and I can't wait. I put in all the stuff that I got in the last box in a bag, the sea glass and everything. So I'm gonna put these shells, not the taffy. I don't even know how long that taffy's gonna last. It'll probably be eaten. But I'm gonna put everything in this bowl on a table. So let me know what you thought of this. If this is something you like. Of course, I will leave the link below so that if it's something you want to order. I did get it off of Cratejoy, and I think they have like a 10% discount. I don't get anything, but I think they have a 10% discount if it's something that you want to try. And I hope you guys are all staying safe. I know some of the states like California, they even open the beaches. So slowly things I hope are getting back to normal. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.